Now, the next mistake you guys want to avoid is when you're putting in that first guideline, the initial guideline. Remember, the first guideline is the foundation of the self haircut, right? It's the base, right? When you look at a pyramid, right? The pyramid, the base is what holds up everything above it, okay? So the initial guideline, the first guideline, is the base, what keeps everything together and keeps everything strong, right? Just like a pyramid, right? Pyramid of, in Egypt. So anyway, when it comes to the first guideline, you have to make sure that the guideline is done as close to perfect as possible. And what I mean by close to perfect is that when you're putting it in with your clippers or your trimmers, or let's say you have a number 2 guard on, whatever it is, the line that you're putting in has to be straight. So it's got to be a straight line, right? You can't have a line that's zigzagged, all right? It can't go up here and then down here and then up here. It's like the shape might be straight, but if you're angling the clipper like this when you're cutting your hair and you're putting in the guideline, it's going to look very, very weird, all right? So if you look at my videos, you look at all my self-haircut videos, I try to make the first guideline a perfect straight line across, and then it's a slight curve around the ear, and then depending on the type of haircut, whether it's a low fade, mid fade, or high fade, will dictate how I go about as soon as I get toward the back of my head. Whether I dip it down for a low fade, I go straight across for a mid fade, or if it's a high fade, I'll probably go straight across as well. And of course, there's all types of variations. I could do a high to a low fade, etc. So, but the main point is really just making sure that the guidelines are straight going in. When you're putting in the guidelines, it's straight. Everything's even. And of course, it has to be even on both sides. So when you're looking at yourself through the mirrors, if this side is higher than this side, you've got yourself a problem. Okay, your foundation's off, right? The pyramid is lopsided. You're now the Leaning Tower of Pisa, right, in Italy. You're no longer the pyramid in Egypt. So what you got to do is just make sure when you put in the first guideline, you're looking at yourself in the mirror saying, okay, right side, I'm right here. This is where the first guideline is. Left side, it's got to be in the same spot. And then rotate your head just a little bit to check both sides. Make sure that they're both perfectly straight and they both start to curve around the same exact spot. And then you can use your other mirror right here, angle that 45 degrees to check the back. All right, make sure that the back of your head is even and everything's perfectly straight in the back and they both curve in the same exact position toward the back. All right, so that is the mistake you need to avoid, which is creating an initial guideline that's not perfectly straight. All right, it's the foundation of the haircut. If you can get this right, putting in the guidelines afterwards is going to be such a breeze, and it's just going to really make the haircut a lot easier for you now that the first major step has been complete.